Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to cast from Google Photos. Start by opening the app and picking the photo or album you want up front. Make sure your phone and the Chromecast or built-in Cast TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise devices won't see each other. Once the photo is ready, tap the Cast icon in the top toolbar. If you don't see it, swipe the photo to reveal controls. Tap your TV name to begin. You should see the image appear on screen within a few seconds. Once connected, Control is on your phone. Tap play for a slideshow or swipe to move between images. Pinch to zoom and the TV follows. You can start a video from Google Photos and it will play on the TV with sound. Make sure media volume is up on the TV and your phone's media volume isn't muted. If you need to change albums, stop casting, choose a different album, and reconnect. This keeps the cast session stable and prevents accidental background interruption. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose disconnect or stop. The TV will return to its previous input. If the cast icon never appears or the TV doesn't show images, restart the Google Photos app, toggle Wi-Fi on your phone, or reboot the Chromecast or TV. This resolves most discovery problems. For choppy playback, reduce image size or move devices closer to the router. If all else fails, update the Google Photos app and your TV.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.